guys!
Today we are making a cat!
Yes, first promotional video. We're going to try this paint and see how it works. This is the paint by Jim and Gloria. It is good for sensitive skin.
I'm gonna be a black cat.
Yes.
Wow!
Ooh, so many. So,
I wanna see.
Yeah, you wanna see? All right, let's see how it works. If you like this paint, please click the link below and we will receive some commissions from sales. I like to start my face painting with cheeks, so let's see how this one goes. Oh, that's pretty. And it's easy to apply. How does that feel, Adriana? It feels good? Good.
And it tickles too.
Tickles. It's pretty smooth. All right, let's see. We can add a little
Cats
bit.
don't have cheeks.
I know, but our kitty is so cute. It's gonna have a little cheek. So little triangles here. All right, so let's do black for the ears.
Don't forget about the eyelashes.
Yes, we'll do all that fun. Oh, let's paint your nose. It really feels very smooth. Okay, whiskers. Ooh, that's so cool. Oh, that's nice. Dot, 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 dot. Ah, how adorable. Close your eyes, please. We're gonna make the cat eyes. And here. And how about we add something in the middle here? What would you like? Should we add some little heart or a hair?
Heart.
Heart. Alrighty. This is so cute. And I think that's gonna be great for Halloween. Yeah? Do you like it? That's adorable. How about I show you in the mirror? Ta-da! This paint is great for some family fun. Yes, if you want to face paint the little ones for Halloween, or if they want to face paint each other, I think it's great. It's very easy to apply. You don't need brushes or anything. What do you think, cat girl? Do you like it? I think our cat girl likes it. Fun face paint, designed for easy application, for some family fun, and fun for Halloween, right?
Meow.
Yay or nay? What do you think?
Meow.
You like it or you don't like it? Do we like this paint?
Meow.
That's a yes, right? If you like this video,
Meow, meow, meow.
please give us thumbs up and subscribe. And in the next video, we will be reviewing more face paint.